Super Yummy Kitchen!
Hello boys and girls, young chefs, and welcome to the Super Yummy Outdoor Kitchen.
We are with Chef Allegra and we are cooking Marinated Chicken and Veg Kebabs. We're cooking these meals with our families,
learning new skills and having loads of fun.
Here are all the ingredients you need. Joining us from the beautiful Ireland is Chef Greg.
Thanks for joining us, Chef Greg.
Hi guys, I hope you're well today, and thank you for having me in the Super Yummy Kitchen. I'm so excited about today's dish, which is the Marinated Chicken Kebab with rice and my small little twist, which is the salad, and I'm going to use all the ingredients from my back garden.
Did you know the official language of Ireland is Gaelic, with more than 1.6 million speakers, and people have lived there for over 8,000 years?
Let's get cooking! Make sure you wash your hands really well.
Get a clean board, cut your chicken into chunks, then pop in a bowl. Wash your hands again and get a new chopping board.
Okay, we've got a new board, we've got clean hands, and we're going to marinate our chicken. Now you can do this an hour before, you can do it the night before. It's all a marinade is its flavour going into the meat or the vegetables or whatever it is that you're marinating.
First, cut your lemon in half, then chop your garlic into pieces.
Be very careful, you may want an adult to help you get it very small.
Add your oil, squeeze your lemon juice.
Then add some smoked paprika.
Bit more.
Mix it up all together and then pour it over your chicken.
Make sure to get it all nice and covered. This will get it filled up with flavour.
Good job, Dad. How did you make yours, Chef Greg?
We're going to marinate the chicken with some soy sauce, some rapeseed oil, smoked paprika, and a bit of black pepper. We shall leave the chicken for a couple of minutes to marinate. But while we're waiting for the chicken to be ready, let's put some rice into the water and cook it.
Cook the rice for about 10 minutes or so.
So chicken kebabs great, but chicken kebabs with other things on them, even better. And what we're going to put onto ours today is a bit of pepper. You can use red, yellow, orange. We've got some nice red cherry tomatoes here and a bit of pineapple. Because who doesn't like chicken and pineapple? Oh, it's classic.
Cut your peppers into nice chunks. Always be careful with a sharp knife.
You can add other vegetables as well if you like. We're adding some delicious courgettes.
If you're using fresh pineapple like Chef Greg, make sure you take all the skin off.
So, we're now at the exciting, what we call threading stage. Here are some kebab skewers that I've had soaking in water. Now, why would I be soaking them in water? Because when I put them on the barbecue, they won't burn because they're made of wood.
Now, put all of your vegetables and chicken onto the skewers. Mix them up so there's lots of variety.
An adult can help you get started if you like.
And that's it. How nice does that look? It looks gorgeous. Pop that in there. Ta-da! And there you go, your lovely looking, beautiful, vibrant chicken kebabs. Now, let's get them on the grill. Nice hot coals underneath and a good little sizzle.
Be careful, the grill will be hot. Ask an adult for help if you need to.
Now, if you don't have a barbecue, you can always use a pan or a grill like Chef Greg does.
Then we'll start our dip by grating some cucumber.
We don't want our dip to be soggy, so squeeze all the water out of the cucumber. Chef versus cucumber. Chef wins. And then it just goes straight in like that as a ball.
Add a teaspoon of honey for sweetness.
Then some mint and any other herbs that you want to try and mix it all in with your yogurt.
Let's give it a good mix and our dip is almost ready to go. Look, this smells beautiful. Can't wait to try it.
Yummy! What's next, Chef Greg?
Our rice is ready, so we should mix it with green beans, mango and pomegranate seeds. Let's do that right now. It's so colourful, already looks so amazing.
Give that a quick stir. It's great. Now,
Don't forget to show us your salad, Chef Greg. What are you using in it?
In this plate over here we have a baby jam, red beetroot leaves, parsley, dill, pea sprouts.
and Chef Greg grows all of these in his own garden. Isn't that amazing? Homegrown tastes best.
Wash all the leaves and get them ready to go.
Now I reckon the barbecues are nice when you do it all in a great big family service. I'm going to put a nice pile of rice up here. Oh, good. Look at those colours.
I hope you have enjoyed cooking with me today. It was so much fun growing the vegetables that we used today. For me, it tastes better knowing that I grew them myself.
And that's how we roll in the super yummy kitchen garden. A barbecue feast. Glorious. Enjoy.
The great thing about this recipe is that you can serve it in so many different ways. Chef Allegra has created a fibre-rich whole grain rice salad. I like to make mine on the barbecue served with a crispy lettuce salad.
Yeah, that's great. Next time I would serve mine up in a wrap, as I know that will give me loads of energy, with some peppers, carrots and tomatoes for my vitamin A and C.
Recap, Oscar. What are vitamin A and C good for?
For healthy eyes and strong immune system. Hooray!
Don't forget to check out the fruit kebab experiment. Next time, we are with Chef Andrew and he is making squashy mac and cheese.
And joining us from Ireland will be Chef Carl.
And it's simply delicious.
And super yummy. Brought to you by Chartwells.
See you next time.